So the big question, should you buy a DTF printer or continue to use a DTF transfer wholesaler? In this video, there are 3 things that we're going to cover. 1, do you really need to buy a DTF printer? 2, should you continue to use a DTF wholesale transfer provider? And 3, what are the pitfalls, the pros and cons if you choose one or the other? We'll cover that in this video. John Hutchison here, and this is DTF Secrets. A lot of people come up with the question of at what point do they look to invest in a DTF printer, or should they continue to buy transfers from a wholesale provider? And that's a great question, but I want to kind of briefly discuss when you should move from buying transfers from a provider into buying your own printer and investing in that. Well, the first question you should really ask yourself is, how many sales are you generating per month? If you're only generating 50 to 100, 150, 200, is it really cost effective for you to actually be thinking about investing in buying your own DTF printer? And the answer is no. You're not going to be making enough money, enough profit from selling a couple of 100 units in order to make enough to then step up to buying your own DTF printer. If that's you and you're just doing maybe a couple of 100 sales or a couple of 100 t-shirts and not making much money, just continue to buy from a DTF wholesale provider. It's easy for you, right? You basically get the transfers, you cut them up, you apply them, done. Whereas if you look at your DTF printer, you have got such a learning curve involved. It's going to take you a lot of time investment, on top of your financial investment on getting a product that is good enough to save money on the production costs of that. There are many advantages to having a printer, obviously, but the learning curve that you're going to have is going to outweigh them, because you're going to spend so much time learning the process that it's outweighed by simply getting enough transfers delivered to your door where you can use them within a few minutes. If you're not really at that level, why do you want to bring that into your business and the associated problems with it? You get the printer, you got the learning curve. That's one. Second one is, are you actually producing a really good transfer product? Chances are no, because you don't know the process. You haven't learned the process. You don't have the knowledge, experience, and skills on that. Okay. Then when you come to produce the transfer, do you have the right colors? The colors vibrant? Are you curing correctly? Is it actually applying to the garment correctly? Is it lasting on the garment? They're all problems that are going to be experienced with having your own printer. You're going to come up with maintenance headaches. You're going to have they're going to be ink problems. You're going to be circulation problems. You're going to have head strikes. You're going to have bad nozzle checks. You're going to have banding. So if you want that world, then you can go through this learning curve, but it is not fast. If you want to continue to use transfers, that is the best option for you, because it's fast, it's easy, and you don't have that learning curve. So in summary, if you're only doing 200 to 300 sales or garments per month, you don't need to invest in a printer. Just continue to buy from a really good wholesale DTF provider. That is the fastest way for you to basically grow. If you enjoyed this content and would love to see more, smash the subscribe button. I've also linked additional videos for you here.